Hey guys, we're gonna make chicken pasta.
It's what anyone would expect, that mom is the center of their world. She's the life of the party. These girls look up to her.
Carmen is undocumented, but there are several ways she could get legal status.
She's married to a U.S. citizen, so she has that as an avenue. She's suffered gang threats and extortion, so she has that as an avenue for asylum protection. She's also the victim of domestic violence from a previous relationship, which makes her eligible for a crime victims visa. So she's someone who has plan A, plan B, plan C.
In May, Eduardo went with Carmen for her immigration hearing. She became a target of a tactic the Trump administration has been aggressively pursuing, asking immigration judges to dismiss cases.
The purpose of the dismissals is so that ICE can summarily deport these people because the judge no longer has jurisdiction. They're applying something called expedited removal to people, which is a fast-track deportation without due process.
Y ya cuando le tocó a ella hablar con el juez, pues sí le desestimaron el caso. Pero así muy prepotente la juez, o sea, y ya saliendo de la corte fue cuando la agarraron.
¿Es su esposa? Están mis hijos esperándolos en la casa. 6 niñas tengo que dependen de nosotros.
O sea, en total eran como 12 agentes.
¿Para una persona?
Para una persona.
¿Una
sí.
mujer?
Sí. Y yo por más que pues yo trataba de empujarlos, abrir una salidita para que ella saliera corriendo. No pude. Se me amontonaban todos. Chingo.
Un momento difícil, ¿no?
Sí, volver a recordar esto. Porque pues no pude hacer nada porque no soy.
Carmen spoke to us from inside a detention center.
And that was just one of my worst moments. I couldn't breathe in there. I felt like I was getting sick. It was just a whole nightmare.
What kinds of things were going through your mind at that moment?
Everything, my girl, my husband, especially my girls. My girls were the first thing on my mind, knowing that I wasn't going to come home to them that day.
Video of Carmen's arrest went viral.
Well, I was laying on the bed and we were just watching it, and we just started like all tearing up as we were watching it, saying how like, I can't believe this is happening.
Did you understand why she was being detained and treated like that?
Yeah.
Why?
Because she's an immigrant.
Why would they go after people who are not breaking the rules? They're showing up for their court proceedings. They're hiring lawyers. They're doing everything the right, married to a U.S. citizen who's standing right there by her side. Why on earth would we do this to people like that?
I don't think I deserve to have been treated like that because I'm not a criminal. I'm not an animal to be treated like that. I'm a human being. You know, they want to teach us a lesson and say, hey, you know, you want America, this is America.
I'm Kristi Noem, the United States Secretary of Homeland Security. Thank you, President Donald J. Trump, for securing our border, for deporting criminal illegal immigrants.
I think the goal of the Trump administration is power. And when you scare people and have them believe that they are under threat of an invasion of criminals and drug traffickers, and you're going to fix it for them, that makes you more powerful. And so I think that that is the lie that the American public has been sold. Yeah. And it doesn't seem to matter to them that good people are being harmed in the process, even if we right the wrongs. There's going to be residual effects from all of this for years or decades.
La niña más chiquita, ella la miro muy triste siempre.
But it takes like forever to wait.
Sí, les afectó mucho. La más grande también llora mucho, que extraña mucho a su mamá. Que separen a las familias. Sufre uno bastante.
The red one.
It's been almost 6 weeks since Carmen was arrested at her courthouse hearing. To get out of detention, she has dropped her appeal and accepted her deportation to Mexico. The family is going to live with her there and leave the U.S. behind.
Our future, it like changed a lot because we kind of had like everything planned out already here. And I guess that just kind of got erased. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I had like set a goal for myself to figure that out, but
What were you going to figure out this summer?
what I wanted to like be growing up.
Do you think you're going to be able to achieve your same dreams in Mexico? No? Why not?
I guess I just don't have like the right resources, the right the right stuff over there than you have here.
Se nos fue la vida, nos destruyeron todo. Todas las metas que teníamos, pues no, ya no. Pues de todas las cosas que me han pasado en la vida, no, esto es lo que he sentido más feo. Sí, se siente bien feo que te se quiten una parte de ti.